I'm John Cunniffe from Cunniffe Construction. We're a fourth generation builder. I'm here at 142 Chapel Lane in Baulkham Hills. We've just handed over a lovely property for Jag and Nithya, and we'd like to invite you to come in and see what we do.
Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm the project manager that was working on this project. Though the site was difficult to work with and there were many complications with the weather as being the wettest record on year, we were able to deliver this project a month before its deadline without compromising on its quality. We're looking forward to seeing you on the next project.